everyone. Good morning, especially good morning to you, Mr. Santana. We're from the Livia Company. I am Joanna Steven. She is Charlene Kim Zungka and Renette Pasamante, my group mate. Our product is about the latest problem of many people, and especially teenagers. But before that, I want to say thank you because you let us to talk about and see us to discuss our new product. Don't worry because we will not take too much of your time. Just relax and enjoy our presentation. The common problem of teenagers and most of the people now are like this. Is your armpit wet and smelly?
Wet.
Like this? A doctor could say that your mother's blood type was B. Your father was type O. That's why you have BO. Or like this. Conscious? When you're in a bus, then it's so crowded, you need to stand. But your armpit is very wet like this. Like this. And it's because in your office, then you're so nervous, you will see this on your armpit. And like that. And then the impression of the people who see and smell that your armpit smells very bad, their reaction will be always like this, covering their nose and mouth, or reacting some bad expressions. And now, for further explanation, I will give the floor to Ms. Kim Zungka.
Okay.
Good morning. Nowadays, people, and especially teenagers, have been about their hygiene. The number one problem is smelling armpits and having body odor at the same time. So what's the example? This example are embarrassing, right? When you are confidently wearing a black shirt or any dark or any color of shirt you want, your armpit is like that, a leaking faucet. Another problem is about your deodorant. The lip stain on your shirt. Like this example.
Oo, ganyan din yung ibang white.
And then it can never be removed, whatever you do. Those are really embarrassing, right?
Yeah.
I'll give the floor to Ms. Pasamante for further. Thank you, Ms. Doma. What a big problem, right? And now our company, Livia, the global skin and body brand, released a new product that will solve your problem. And here are the examples. Will be a color blues for men and will be a color pink for women. You can choose what you prefer more, spray or roll on.
Lang yan.
We have examples here. Kanino yan?
Uy, 4 years old. Ay, basketball. Ay, mag-jogging akong bot.
Livia deodorant is visible for black and white. Results to 48 are anti-perspirant protection. Black shirt stays black. White shirt stays white for longer. Without alcohol and colorant. French feminine and masculine scent. Skin tolerance, dermatological improvement.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Zungka and Ms. Pasamante. I just wanted to say that I'm convincing you to buy our product because our product will benefit you and will satisfy you 101%. I really promise you that. So, go out to the market and buy our product. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you buy our product. God bless us all and have a good day. But wait, please buy our product because if you don't, this will happen.
Thank you.